Okay, I'm here at Garza Blanca Cancun, and this is the 3-bedroom loft suite. So we have beautiful high ceilings, great living area, huge balcony. Up there is the adult-only rooftop infinity pool. So let me come back around here and get this kitchen area, living area. 1 bedroom is down here. Just take a quick peek. So this would be the size of essentially the lead-in junior suite category with the bathroom. So we have that. We have hall bathroom. And up the stairs here. And grab this. Okay, come into here, another large bedroom. Here I'll circle around. Oh, this is good to get a good view of the property. So lots of pools. And then here, huge room. So nice size room here. And then we'll come around across the hall, same thing. Another bedroom here with the double beds, shower area. And then I'll go up to the rooftop area. So again, this is a 3-bedroom suite at Garza Blanca Cancun. Get the rooftop. Beautiful, beautiful view. Over here, so again, that would be the adult-only rooftop pool. It's modeled very similar to the one in Cabo. And then you can get a final view of the resort with a huge terrace, jacuzzi, great living area.